EDO 2020. Senator Uzamere don't do meeting with Ovia Northeast PDP leaders. Former senator where they represent EDO South Senatorial District, Senator Uzamere don't do meeting with PDP leaders where they Ovia Northeast local government area for Edo State. Una go sabi say Edo gubernatorial elections go soon shele, and now this one make the former senator come do this kind of meeting for the local government. Senator Uzamere tell Tori people say him organize this ogbonge meeting because he want reconcile PDP itself, in members and the other members where they come from APC come PDP.
Reconciliation of the two factions within the PDP and the incoming PDP from APC, which I have been doing for quite some time, and today God has answered our prayers and we have succeeded. For all of us to be united in Ovia Northeast to face APC come September 2020, in the year of our Lord. We know and we are convinced, united under God, that we shall succeed and win the election convincingly in Ovia Northeast.
Some leaders will attend the meeting still follow Tori people talk on top how this kind of meeting go take better at those state elections, make Governor Godwin Obaseki for return for second term.
We want to have a unifying factor in our midst. We don't want to be divided, so that in unity we will bring the required block vote for the Governor Obaseki. We are very determined to the victory of Governor Godwin Obaseki.
I want every one of us to go home and let this election be conducted in a peaceful atmosphere. The government does not end one day. It's a continuous exercise. I'm happy. I want to see here that the project already handled by the present governor has impressed many people, including myself. And I want the project to be completed. There must be a continuity in the system.
As an individual, I have carried out performance evaluation on this present administration. I'm left with just one assessment. The assessment is that this government has done well. The achievement of the governor, Godwin Obaseki, can only be described in superlative terms.
We have integrated very well, and with the caliber of persons that we have from the people that moved, all of us that moved from APC to PDP, you know, I can tell that victory is sure for Godwin Obaseki and PDP in Ovia Northeast. All the 13 wards are represented. And when you are united like this, you are working together.
Now here we see this ogbonge informate reach on top inside Edo today. On top say Senator Uzamere don't do ogbonge meeting with Ovia Northeast PDP leaders until the Edo State elections will go soon shele. Make una sabi say na TMC TV 9 carry this ogbonge informate come give una. And my name na Edo Gogo Edoleyi.